All right, here we come to the elevators at Terminal A of Newark Liberty EWR International Airport in Newark, New Jersey. Oh, I love that motor. This thing is quite busy with a bunch of people coming on and coming on and coming on. Anyways, I'm not going to do all the elevators here because they're the exact same and I don't have that much time to get every single one of them, and it's also a huge ordeal of my memory storage space. Oh, look at that. Both elevator cars have come down. Look at that. Wow, look at that. So glad I caught that on camera. Have a great day, sir. Thank you. All right, let's get inside quick before people start coming in rapidly. I really want to hear the motor on this thing. My goodness, how slow this is taking the level. Both elevator doors open. We're gonna take this one. Door close button does not work. And here we go. Awesome. Look how slow it's taking the level. Look at this. I'm gonna do 4K mode this time. Hopefully we'll make a non-stop trip. Hopefully it doesn't stop in the middle. Yay, we made it. Now going back up, we're just gonna get a cab view.
Yeah.
You're going, oh, which floor?
3. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, that's it.